Hello everyone. Today I will be showing you how to go to Mars in Spaceflight Simulator. I will try to release the first episode of my movie tomorrow. So let's begin. Okay. So this is our cities part. So we have a sorry I forgot. By the way, I have turned on infinite fuel because I am not sure if it will. Initially, I had designed this so that we had a booster could hold one after amazing, but it didn't work. So we are past 2000 already. So we have. By the way, our website's chemistry page is we have started doing the chemistry page. So you and I am putting elements everywhere. I am putting elements of the periodic table on the chemistry page every day at least. So today I have completed with 40 elements. So you may see them. I am going to add the atomic number valency, and I will see if I can add some more. Okay, so okay, so we are perfect. Yes, we are in a lower orbit almost. So we will do a last fire. Now I will separate the booster. And separate the. For some reason it's not separating. So let it do. Now I will fire up. Okay, we are at in a lower turn. Oh, okay. So now we have to. So now we have to set Mars as the target. Yes. Now as Mars has been set as the target. Okay. So this is our spacecraft over here. So are we in the right position? Clear debris. Okay. So okay. So there will be a mark over here, or else in 1.5 there will be a point over here. Where transfer window. It would be named transfer window. So you have to fire right over there. So first we will have to go reach there. In real life it would take a lot of time if we are from here to go over here, about 6 to 7 months, but still okay. The window is still moving. Yes, now we will get into the window. Okay, so we will have to be a bit 49 days only. SFS only has one problem. It is not so accurate in time matters. Okay, almost.
I will tell the your secret what it is when you go out. So please go.
This is my video. I won't go.
Please some.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes. Oh, we did it too much. So let's
Which rocket are you
get off
using?
the way.
Huh?
Luling. I'm a modified Luling.
Mean this mine.
Yes, I know that. Okay, so
Did you declare it?
Oh, okay, I forgot. This rocket was made by Advait. It was initially named GSLV Mark 1000, but
But when I assembled the rocket's name was GSLV Mark 1000, and I want to tell you that
you have to fire prograde quick.
and by the way, if you
And we have to.
if you want, you can like and subscribe. I recommend to do so. It helps us a lot. I recommend to do so. It's optional. Yes, it's optional.
So our orbit will now increase when we fire prograde.
One day I will show you some of my works I made in a phone. Okay? Someday. Or if you want, I will share them to you now. But for that, I will just need to screen share you that. I will screen share you. Wait.
Okay, so we have crossed the window. Oh, our orbit is. We still have a lot of time, so it should be. Oh no! Why am I pressing it over the again? Okay, smart.
Hello.
Now.
Yes.
Now we will have to fire again.
Can you please pause the video for some time?
No.
I want to just show them some of my works on this.
Just.
I made it. It's nice.
Just a minute, because SFS cannot be paused.
It can be paused if you change the tab.
It doesn't get paused.
It at least orbits here and there. Let it orbit.
Okay.
It will do some.
We have to now wait. You have to be very precise while doing interplanetary journeys, because if even one slight mistake can get you
In trouble.
crying. Not crying exactly, but it's still.
But some people cry that. What is this, brother? Which image is this? Can you please tell me which image? Did you remove the?
Okay, so now after this we'll have to go to Mars to check.
Remove this. Bushy tail.
Oh,
Bushy tail.
we did it a bit too. So we will have to fire retrograde. Sorry. Don't worry, it will work. Why am I pressing it so much? Please wait for a minute. Okay, so I found out a trajectory. I adjusted it a bit.
Yes,
and now today we will be doing aerobraking to save.
simple. Do it.
You have to be very careful over here while the trajectory takes us near the
because
planet.
it's very frustrating if you do it incorrect. Right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, retrograde. If you do some mistakes, it's okay. You will have to fire retrograde.
What
So this
was
will,
that?
okay, this is good. This will make sure there is no space debris.
Why this will make sure? How? Create label. What shall we name the space station I made? The latest station. INRSS. INRSS. INRSS.
So as you saw, even the smallest thing can do a lot. I just separated the stairs, and the whole trajectory got changed. Okay, so that will not crash now. So it's okay. So I will now. We have to do aerobraking to save some fuel and reduce the risks. Or else we can go to Deimos or Phobos also, but it's okay. We will go to Mars.
Then we'll come back in orbit.
Okay,
And
we
then
won't come back in orbit, but
you know, someday this will disappear. Because that's a bug, I think. It disappears. The ship
okay.
disappears.
Okay, so now almost.
INRSS.
Advait, गाणी गाऊ नकोस. Advait, don't sing. I told him to not sing any songs.
Why? It's my
Okay.
station.
So now, okay. So this much will surely do it. So now, as we will quick save this. Okay. So Mars aerobrake. 1 minute. Okay, I saved it. Now what we have to do is just time work. Okay, so we left the Earth's sphere of influence. Our velocity is 5,000 meters per second.
It's
And
not Earth, it's the Mars.
We left Earth orbit. Earth is sphere of influence. So yes. Okay, so now I will just give a better look of it. Okay, so 3. That will go into, that will get an acceleration. So now our speed is much higher. It was 5,000 kilometer per hour. 1 minute. We will have to first check if our, yes. Thank God I checked it.
Why?
Okay. Okay, so when we are far away, it takes it takes lesser fuel to do larger maneuvers, but when we are closer, it takes much lesser fuel. Okay, so our speed is about 1,000. We are aerobraking at 1,456 meters per second.
Don't say that fast. Viewers, some viewers can't.
Oh no! Okay, so I will just load the quick save again.
This shows how scientific the space is.
So we will have to do some aerobraking on it. Yes, it would work eventually, as it has a less speed to tackle.
INRSS.
So now, okay, so now it is safe. Now let's see. I will use only some fuel now. As our speed is no. We will have to try that again. Okay, Mars aerobraking. I got a bit overconfident.
What is it?
Okay, so now yes, we will meet over here. So we need It's okay. Okay. Almost. Once we will enter the Mars sphere of influence. I will burn retrograde once. And it should work this time. And I will just separate and clear debris, as in real life nothing gets stuck like this. And a little bit of trajectory changing maneuver. Okay, fire prograde.
First, it was
Tried it again. Now I had already deployed the fairing while we were in space, so there would be no chances of any problems. So now
Hello.
it must work.
I want to tell you something. That you are using it for the reason I didn't
Okay.
meant it.
So our fuel gets over.
Landing legs for aerodynamics. And remember,
When our speed will lower, then we will.
are
Okay,
you
so
ignoring me?
I am not ignoring anyone. Okay,
If you
so
ignore me in your videos, I will ignore you in
okay.
my videos.
So let our speed lower, because if we separate it just right now.
my Lulip
Yes, a bit. I just
without
added.
my permission.
I made it. Sorry, I made it a role. Either you also use my video. Use my blueprints.
By the way, there are no blueprints of yours anymore in the blueprint section.
Do you want to see?
No.
Okay, so I deployed the parachutes to reduce our speed a bit.
I want to tell you something. That
Yeah.
why don't you turn on the engines to lower it more, bit more?
No, our fuel has gone. Is over. Okay, so let our
Oh, our
speed
fuel
lower.
is over. Then what is that seat named?
Yes, I am.
Fuel?
I am imagining the fuel is over. Okay.
What are you telling? Lie to the viewers.
I am not. I am imagining. I told them. Let's suppose. So that will land safely also.
And that.
Actually, I had put wheels over here, but I don't know how they got disappeared. So it's okay. It will be a land now. Okay, so at least
What is left?
parachute is left.
Which is still not unfinished.
And one fuel tank. Okay. It
Fuel
works.
tank enough for the robotic rover inside to go and take-
We landed. So our solar panel has been deployed, and whenever we want to do our research work, I will just
do this.
undeploy the landing legs. It
And
will do
turn
all
it
the
into-
science and then
Come back.
come back. So thank you for watching this
Wait!
video.
I want to show you something more. Hello, I will make a short too in your video. You make
Okay.
you made a short in my video.
Okay.
High speed aero braking in city.
Okay.
Okay, I will make a short.
Okay.
Okay.
So this is a small short.
Yes, this is my small short. Yes, here it is. We are going to do this. Wait, let me do. This is not. This. Wait. Oh, I am telling you. This is for some extras. These are also for that.
Sometimes others also are.
He has did it for 2 years while I did it less. But still I have made a bit more masterpieces than you.
Huh?
Let me go, please. Let me
It
go.
would fly now. Wait.
Wait, just
Okay, so this was Advait's vehicle. Okay, so we will do it very quickly. Turn on all the engines.
yes,
first.
and we have modified this a bit, so this will work now.
More
Yes.
better. So now it will fly.
Take off. Not generating enough lift.
Okay.
Still not generating enough lift. Still not generating enough lift.
Okay. So we will add this as a truck in the next Making a City episode. Till that time, bye, goodbye.
Yes.